Hello everyone, you are listening to Dr. Huma Ibrar, and this channel is all about international license exam guidance and material. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Moving towards today's topic. So whether you want to take the licensing exam for a job in Gulf or anywhere else, you have to go through a long journey, starting from document attestation to passing the exam and then searching for a job. Every year, millions of people from all over the world apply for jobs in different countries, including the Gulf. Many of them are able to find the jobs and start their careers. However, it is not necessary that everyone who starts this journey will reach the end. Some people give up in the middle. Some take the exam and then search for a job for 1 to 2 months. And if they don't find it, they become disheartened and give up on job searching or applying. Remember, only those who stay consistent with hard work are successful. Many people often ask me through mail or comments whether they will be able to find a job or if they should invest money in getting a license with a guarantee of job. So let me make it clear here that we do not guarantee jobs or even anyone else will. Alhamdulillah, many of my clients have found jobs all over the Gulf. For those people who message me in inbox asking if I can tell them whether they will get a job or not, only then they will proceed with the process. So this all depends on your consistency, hard work, and job hunting strategies. Secondly, I prefer my clients for those jobs that I have references for and for other vacancies. I always make sure to share them with my clients. Everything depends on a person to person basis. So the purpose of saying this all is that this whole process takes time. Jobs are available, but it takes time. So don't get disheartened too quickly. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching this video.